Headline news. Kevin and I have been talking about this all week. We haven't seen anything positive on Apple or Tesla over the last several weeks, and the stock's been taking a hit here, down 29%. Do you have any data that says, hey, maybe this is an opportunity?
You know, I tell you what, we do. I mean, we've actually issued a bullish alert to our hedge fund clients. I think it was 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that, at the end of February. So we've got a lot of, it's not incredibly strong data, but it's contrary to the stock's performance, basically. We see a divergence opportunity with the stock falling and most of the data that we have being fairly strong. Now, keep in mind, you know, on their last report, they dropped 12% because of increased costs and sort of vague guidance. And, you know, I think there's been a bit of a shift with EVs. The demand has gotten a lot softer. Hybrids have been doing very well. They've got some momentum going, and of course, headlines like, you know, Hertz dumping their EV fleet, that kind of thing. That's obviously going to cause problems for investors in Tesla. However, when we look at a lot of the data, I mean, it's pretty strong. The only model that isn't doing fantastic on a year-over-year basis is the Model Y, which has been their strongest performer. So it's got a high bar. The truck is, you know, obviously way out there because everyone's anticipating it. I think there's been a couple, you know, a few deliveries. I haven't seen one in the wild yet, but I'm looking forward to seeing the first one. But, you know, you can see here that most of their vehicles are doing well. The Y is a concern because it is one of their best performers, and the bar is high there. But it's going to be interesting to see what happens once the truck starts getting delivered. Now, I will say they've been putting a lot of pressure on their competition. I mean, when you look at the price drops that they've pulled off, Ford has had to kind of match. They dropped their Mustang Mach-E down to 48,000. They dropped at 8,000, but still higher than the Model Y, which also qualifies for the tax credit, and the Mustang does not. So you know, they're creating a lot of problems for their competition. But you look at just how they're doing compared to some of the competition, you can see Tesla's increasing web visits, Ford and GM not so much. So you know, we've got good data on them. Everything is fairly strong. The mentions themselves are up about 5% on a year-over-year basis, while the stock is just, you know, getting crushed. So you know, I like Tesla long-term based on the data. You know, I like the company personally, but I don't let that get in my way. I read the data, and the data looks pretty good. With the sell-off, that does warrant, in my opinion, buying of a dip here, and you know, heading bullish into the rest of this year.
Landon, what if I told you that I'm bullish on Tesla and it has nothing to do with EVs? You look at the portfolio of businesses that this company has and the other things in the pipeline that this company has, and there's a whole new reason, a whole new book you can write on why you're bullish Tesla. Like, I'll read them. How about the mega pack that they think by mid 2030s, early 20, or like around 2040 is going to make more money than the cars? How about the power wall? 3 different kinds of power walls, 4 different kinds of charging stations, robotics, robo-taxi, gigafactories, all these other things besides EVs that could be game-changing for a company. And my theory on the EVs is Elon Musk is playing a long game to put so much pressure on these other companies that he's going to be the only one left standing. And then there's the China problem with them making too many cars, and they're going to dump them on the rest of the world. So that's a longer play. But all these other parts of their business, the pipeline, they've got 4 or 5 really good businesses within Tesla if you eliminate the cars, Landon.
I agree. I think cars only is a buy on Tesla. I think when you add in everything else that you just talked about, especially, you know, the robotics, I think, and it's a longer term play, but that one really gets me excited 5 to 10 years from now. I mean, they could be the world leader in that. It could be, you know, the cars could be a footnote as to what this company does. So cars only, I'm bullish. Add in everything else, then you're really talking. I'm very excited. And you know, it's not like this CEO has a problem multitasking. I mean, he can do a lot of different things at once. So I'm not worried about that. And you know, just you can see it in the chart here. I mean, the blue line's people talking about this company and its products. The grayer, the lighter line is the stock price. I mean, you shouldn't have them moving away this much without an opportunity. So this is an opportunity in the short term, and then long term, all the things you talked about. So I mean, this is one that I think you can, buy the shares and stuff them into your mattress and check back in 5 or 10 years. And I think you'll be really pleased.
You've got some data on the Cybertruck. Of course, that's probably getting a lot of talk there. But is this about maybe their lineup of cars getting a little bit of stale? Now, the Cybertruck, it's new, right? But it's going to be an outlier as far as sales. Do they need to come up with a new model here? Because it seems like everybody else is doing that, especially over in China, where they've gotten competition from BYD and others. But now, yesterday, Rivian announced that they're coming out with their R2, and they actually just announced, the CEO just announced that they have over 68,000 reservations for that in under 24 hours. So is competition part of the problem too, along with the hybrid story?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, a world without competition is better, but it doesn't seem to phase Tesla because they seem to always have the best product, and there's always hype for the next best thing out there. But then when the car is actually realized, when it's delivered, you start comparing it, and what we've seen is that Tesla holds up where others are maybe, the hype, it outpaces the reality. So yes, obviously, Rivian, I think they've got a lot of potential. They're also talking about that R3, R3X
right,
that they're going to deliver in 2026, and of course that's going to compete directly with the Cybertruck. But Tesla has shown its ability to dominate the competition. I mean, it's not just like they have the best car. Now they have the best car at a really, really reasonable price. I mean, the numbers that they've got coming out for these cars are just unbelievable. I mean, you can rewind and think about the Roadster when it first came out at like 120, I think, 120,000, and that seemed reasonable because of the 0 to 60 numbers it was putting up and the luxury that it had. And now you've got cars that are as good or better, and they're 40, 50,000. Some of them are in the 30s. So Tesla is showing their ability to not only deliver a great product, but also do it at numbers that competition just can't touch. So I think long term, yeah, there's going to be some competition, but they have such a lead, and they're expanding so quickly. It's going to be very difficult for competition to catch up with them anytime soon.
Welcome back to InvestMinder, where we bring you the latest investing news and analysis. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Before we dive deeper into the topic, let's get the disclaimer out of the way. We are not professional financial advisors, and this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with qualified professionals before making any investment decisions. Now, let's dive into the juicy details about Tesla's impressive performance and the immense pressure it's putting on its competitors. Buckle up, because this ride is about to get electrifying. The video we just watched highlighted some fascinating data points that underscore Tesla's dominance in the EV market. One of the standout statistics was the significant gap between Tesla's web traffic and that of its competitors like Ford and GM. While Tesla's online presence continues to surge, traditional automakers are lagging behind, struggling to capture the same level of interest and engagement. This disparity in web traffic is a clear indication of the immense brand power and consumer appeal that Tesla has cultivated. The company's visionary approach, coupled with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, has captured the imagination of car enthusiasts and environmentally conscious consumers alike. Tesla has successfully positioned itself as the epitome of innovation and sustainability, leaving its rivals scrambling to catch up. But it's not just about the hype and buzz. Tesla's products are delivering on their promises. The video highlighted the impressive performance of Tesla's vehicle lineup, with most models experiencing strong year-over-year growth. Even the Model Y, which has been a top performer for the company, is holding its ground despite facing a high bar set by its previous success. This consistent growth across Tesla's product line is a testament to the company's ability to meet consumer demand while continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the EV space. Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation and its unwavering commitment to delivering superior products have propelled it to the forefront of the industry. But the real game changer for Tesla might not be its vehicles alone. As the video mentioned, the company has a diverse portfolio of businesses and ambitious projects in the pipeline that could potentially dwarf its automotive endeavors. From the Megapack energy storage system to the highly anticipated Cybertruck and robotaxi initiatives, Tesla is positioning itself as a multifaceted powerhouse in the world of sustainable technology. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla extends far beyond just electric cars. The company is laying the groundwork for a comprehensive ecosystem that encompasses energy generation, storage, transportation, and even robotics. This holistic approach sets Tesla apart from its competitors, who are primarily focused on the automotive aspect of the EV revolution. Tesla's aggressive pricing strategy is another factor that has put immense pressure on its competitors. The video highlighted how Ford had to slash the price of its Mustang Mach-E to $48,000, still higher than Tesla's Model Y, which also qualifies for the federal tax credit. This move by Ford underscores the intense competition in the EV market and the need for traditional automakers to adapt swiftly to Tesla's disruptive approach. Tesla's ability to offer cutting-edge technology at relatively affordable prices is a game-changer in an industry that has traditionally been associated with premium pricing. By making electric vehicles accessible to a wider range of consumers, Tesla is accelerating the adoption of sustainable transportation and forcing its competitors to reevaluate their pricing strategies. While Tesla's competitors are scrambling to catch up, the company remains focused on pushing the boundaries of innovation. The upcoming Cybertruck, for instance, has already garnered significant buzz and anticipation, with over 68,000 reservations reported within 24 hours of Rivian's announcement of their competing R3 and R3X models, slated for delivery in 2026. This level of consumer interest and excitement demonstrates Tesla's ability to capture the imagination of car enthusiasts and early adopters alike. The Cybertruck's futuristic design and promised performance have positioned it as a highly anticipated product, even before its official launch. However, Tesla's success is not solely dependent on its ability to develop groundbreaking products. The company's vertically integrated business model, which encompasses everything from battery production to charging infrastructure, gives it a significant advantage over its competitors. By controlling the entire supply chain, Tesla can optimize its operations, reduce costs, and maintain a high level of quality control. This vertical integration also allows the company to rapidly incorporate new technologies and innovations into its products, further solidifying its position as a leader in the EV market. Moreover, Tesla's emphasis on sustainability extends beyond its electric vehicles. The company's commitment to renewable energy sources, such as solar power and energy storage solutions like the Powerwall, positions it as a holistic provider of clean energy solutions. This comprehensive approach not only aligns with the growing demand for sustainable living, but also creates opportunities for Tesla to expand its offerings and tap into new revenue streams. By positioning itself as a one-stop shop for all things sustainable, Tesla is cementing its status as a visionary company that is shaping the future of energy and transportation. While Tesla's success has been nothing short of remarkable, it's important to acknowledge the potential challenges and risks that lie ahead. The EV market is becoming increasingly crowded, with established automakers and ambitious startups alike vying for a piece of the pie. As competition intensifies, Tesla will need to maintain its technological edge and continue to innovate at a breakneck pace. One area where Tesla might face significant hurdles is in the realm of autonomous driving and robotaxi technology. While the company has made strides in this field with its autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) systems, competitors like Waymo and Cruise are also making significant advancements. The race to achieve true Level 5 autonomy is heating up, and Tesla will need to stay at the forefront of this technological revolution to maintain its competitive advantage. Another potential challenge for Tesla is the growing competition from Chinese EV manufacturers such as BYD and NIO. These companies are not only dominating their domestic market, but are also setting their sights on global expansion. With their access to vast resources and a rapidly growing talent pool, Chinese EV makers could pose a significant threat to Tesla's dominance in the long run. Moreover, Tesla's reliance on government incentives and tax credits could become a double-edged sword. While these incentives have undoubtedly played a crucial role in driving EV adoption, their potential phase-out or modification could impact Tesla's pricing strategies and sales figures. The company will need to navigate this landscape carefully and adapt its business model accordingly. Despite these challenges, Tesla's unwavering commitment to sustainability and its ability to capture the public's imagination give it a significant advantage. The company's cult-like following and brand loyalty are unmatched in the automotive industry, and this emotional connection with consumers could prove invaluable as the EV market matures. Furthermore, Tesla's ambitious plans for the future, such as the construction of new gigafactories and the development of cutting-edge battery technologies, demonstrate its long-term vision and commitment to staying ahead of the curve. By continuously investing in research and development, Tesla is laying the groundwork for future growth and solidifying its position as a technological leader. As the world continues to shift towards a more sustainable future, Tesla's role as a pioneer in the EV and renewable energy sectors cannot be overstated. The company's ability to disrupt established industries and challenge the status quo has already made a lasting impact, and its future endeavors have the potential to shape the course of human civilization for generations to come. As we reach the end of our exploration into Tesla's dominance and the immense pressure it's putting on the competition, one thing becomes abundantly clear. We are witnessing a seismic shift in the automotive industry, and Tesla is at the forefront of this revolution. The company's unwavering commitment to innovation, sustainability, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible has propelled it to dizzying heights, leaving its rivals scrambling to catch up. From its cutting-edge electric vehicles to its ambitious plans for energy storage, autonomous driving, and beyond, Tesla is redefining what it means to be an automotive company in the 21st century. However, as we've discussed, the road ahead is not without its challenges. Competition from established automakers and emerging startups, coupled with the rapidly evolving landscape of technology and consumer preferences, means that Tesla cannot afford to rest on its laurels. Continuous innovation, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence will be key to maintaining its position as the undisputed leader in the EV and sustainable technology sectors. Yet, if there's one thing we can count on, it's Tesla's ability to defy expectations and challenge conventional wisdom. With visionary leadership, a passionate workforce, and an unwavering commitment to its mission, Tesla is poised to continue shaping the future of transportation and energy for generations to come. As we bid farewell, we encourage you to stay curious, keep an open mind, and embrace the exciting changes that lie ahead. The journey towards a more sustainable future is well underway, and Tesla's influence on this path cannot be overstated. Thank you for joining us on InvestMinder, where we strive to provide insightful and thought-provoking content for investors and technology enthusiasts alike. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos and analyses. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep investing in a better tomorrow. Hope you found today's analysis helpful as you look for profitable new stock opportunities. This was InvestMinder. Remember, knowledge equals profit in the stock market. Thanks so much for watching, and please hit that thumbs up button if you got value from this video. Make sure you click to subscribe as well to get our next videos when we reveal the best new insider stock purchases. Invest wisely, trade carefully, and we'll see you next time. Disclaimer: InvestMinder is an independent stock market commentary channel for entertainment and basic informational purposes only. We are not licensed financial professionals and do not provide personalized investing or financial advice. P.S. If you stayed watching until here, you are awesome. Thank you for enabling me to keep making these videos with all the likes and subscribes. Have a great day, and we love you all.